Good evening, listeners. This is Neha, and I welcome you back to your very own Rendezvous with Twin Flames. I believe all of you are doing wonderful and must be taking care of yourself. Thank you so much for your motivation and support. Friends, today's request is quite exciting, and I have been thinking to cover it from quite a while. And finally, I have received this request, so I got a chance to cover it. So our requester wants to know, what are some signs your twin flame is thinking of you and misses you? Twin flames missing each other is not an ordinary feeling, and it can be quite overwhelming. This is due to the reason that when they meet for the first time in this real world, that is actually not their first meeting. They have been incarnated in this new life, but they have been together before, and the longing for each other is natural. I will take up 5 signs that I am aware of. And friends, these are not signs, these are indications that gives you a strong feeling that your twin flame is actually missing you. Number 1, out of nowhere you will start feeling mood swings. You will be surrounded by people and will start feeling lonely. People and the environment around you might be joyful, but you will lose interest and feel an urge to run away from there as soon as you can. You feel intense emotions that do not seem like yours. Number 2, some twins may experience a severe headache, which is again caused due to overthinking of your counterpart for long. You may not be necessarily thinking about them, but their thoughts reside in your mind, which may lead to headache in some twins. The thoughts could be comforting or disturbing based on your progression over the journey. Number 3, if the connection is too intense, you may hear your twin flame's voice. In some cases, you feel and you see them around you, even the twin flames are miles apart in the physical world. I don't know how is this even possible, but this happens, and it makes me believe in this divine connection even more. Number 4, in some cases, the universe sends you signals which make you realize that your twin flame is missing you. It could be seeing the number sequences like 1111 or seeing their counterpart's name or anything that is related to them everywhere. Number 5, twin flames communicate with each other telepathically. Whenever your twin flame is missing you immensely, the counterpart just get to know it as they feel a sense of belonging with each other. This is unbelievable, that how they send those strong vibes that they could feel even if they are miles apart. This is purely magical and is unexplainable. The signs and the indications may vary as every twin flame have a distinct journey. Whatever may be the signs, you will get a sense of relief from the pain and separation as well. So, if you have been getting any of such indications, maybe you too are on your twin flame journey. Stay strong and stay committed to your divine purpose, and it all will be so worth. With this, I would like to end today's episode and wish you goodbye. If you have any questions or if you wish to share your experience with me, you may inbox me at emotionsrendezvous@gmail.com. Thank you so much for listening. See you soon. Till then, stay in love with Rendezvous with Twin Flames.